Yeah, we've just exited Diesel Gorge, and you can never get enough of the views here. And so we're making our way down, and presumably it's going to be a couple of hours. Maybe that's an exaggeration. Hopefully, no more than 2 hours to get back um, to the entrance. And of course, that is False Bay. And Somerset West immediately below, and out in the distance, you'd have Strand and Gordon's Bay um, following the coast. And the entrance to this place is down at the bottom toward the reservoir there. And there's just buildings there, just to the one corner of the reservoir, and that's where we're going to be concluding our hike. Yeah, the vegetation always is always like the icing on top. So there was a bit of water flowing inside Diesel Gorge from the recent rains. And yeah, so one can see that during the rainy season, um, there must be a lot more water flowing through there. And yeah, it must be certainly that much more scenic. And that's Helderberg. And of course, Helderberg is a mountain range. And but for now, I'm holding up everybody. So I'm going to conclude it here. And thanks for watching. God bless.